The hospital in Korea was a general hospital that took a lot of wounded soldiers from all over that transferred into Korea. Korea wasn't a very nice spot to be because the winters were terrible.
And you said you were there for a year.
Yeah.
It wasn't a very good assignment, but you did what you had to do.
But what some of those boys went through was terrible too. And they were so young. And I'm scared to death we may be in another war the way it's going. And the people are not that patriotic, I don't think. They were having, like so we'd be happier, you know. They were having kind of like a dance, a big dance. And so we had to have dates. But I had dates with two people. One was a engineer and the other was him, the two of them. And I don't know why, but I chose him to go to that dance. And the guy that I stood up came and tapped me on the shoulder. And he says, I hope someday that you love someone and they treat you like you've treated me. He was so angry. But I could have gone with either one of them, but I chose him. He'd set the chair for, he was so, open the door for you, things they don't do anymore, you know?
That's how we got started. That's how we started dating. We
Yeah.
didn't date on Okinawa at all.
Well, you had to have somebody go with you. So,
But that's how you met on
Yeah,
Okinawa.
Okinawa. We
You
met on Okinawa. We didn't date till
didn't date.
not till we went to South Korea.
I will say, I used to not be able to even talk about it, you know? Can you imagine what someone looks like when their face has been shot off? And these are just young kids. Young kids. Some of them were older, said they were 18 when they were 16. There was more patriotism in this United States than I ever saw for World War II. I mean, they felt like they were really fighting for something.